Like we could have had a dirt bike trail out there, like an ATV type shit. We
Mm-hmm.
could have had a. It had a baseball field on it.
Vertical.
Like, bruh, it was enough to have like a little industrial sports park,
That's crazy.
but it was like in the middle of nowhere though. So like, yeah, you got all that land, but then if you try to do something like that, it's not gonna make as much profit.
All right, getting
You know
set
what I was
up.
thinking about bringing down here? It might cost a bit or whatever.
Bruh, it was enough to have like a little industrial sports park,
That's crazy.
but it was like in the middle of nowhere though. So like, yeah, you got all that land, but then if you try to do something like that, it's not gonna make as much profit.
All right, getting
You know
set
what I was
up.
thinking about bringing down here? It might cost a bit or whatever.
Let's see what's happening in the news real quick. Stock heat map. Apple almost down 1% for today. Microsoft is not in the red yet, which is why I wanted to play them. That's why I wanted to play their put, because they still got room to push down. Everything else like it's already on its merry way. If Microsoft come back down to 370, I'll take it right there. But it's a risky put because Microsoft was in strength early this morning. But I don't think AMD has a little space to come down. AMD could come down to 130 from 134. Google's pushing right now. They're retesting the highs of yesterday. But Google's in strength right now. Let me see something. Buying Google as well. What's up? Oh shit. Alright, let's go through Amazon. Oh, damn. Oh, y'all can't see the chart, right? Y'all can't see the charts.
On Twitter.
I'm up in the Discord too, if you want to look at the screen.
But it's gonna kick us off. Oh, we could just, the video's gonna kick us off.
Why?
Because we in both apps.
Nigga, did you not load up your computer like I told you to yesterday? Only person that's not working on a computer here is you. You got a computer sitting right there next to you.
And you know the problem.
What's the problem?
Nigga, we talked about this yesterday. I told you I gotta delete shit off that motherfucker so it ain't running so goddamn slow.
Okay, so what you do all night?
I ain't gonna lie.
I know.
I was asleep last night.
I know. So how about you load up your computer and download these apps on there so you could be part of the trade game and not struggling on your device, on your phone, trying to make your phone do everything.
Yeah, I do. You trying to make it do it.
Going down. I'll say my order better have executed.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm looking at Amazon. No, I'm not messing with Amazon. The triple Qs are sitting on the support. You gotta be careful there. Tesla broke down below support and it has a selling block above it. It could go down to 233. I like a Tesla put right here as well. Let me look at the 15-minute. Alright, NVDA, they have some, let's see, how much is a 464 put? They got a 465 put. Those are going for 170 right now. No, I'm gonna go a little bit lower. Let's go to 462. Those are going for 133. I'm gonna get something closer to 100. The 460s. Yeah, 98. Perfect. I'm gonna grab 3 of those. It's a high risk play right here. This NVIDIA put. So I'll be careful with that if you're going to follow behind. But the Tesla play, I have more confidence in. I mean, the Microsoft pullback, I have more confidence in. Us pulling back to 370, 80. Around there is where I'm going to take profit. Let's put an alert in right about here. Actually, no, we'll just open up a paper trade on it. Let's get it going. here. G, you still there? You jumped in the trade? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just had you on mute. I gotta make a run.
Damn, look at the ETF heat map. All ETFs are in red today. Sheesh. Look at that. I screenshot this. This is a bloody picture.
It's crazy.
Alright, there we go with that. Let's pull this chart back up. Let's look through some news really quick. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Apple got a downgrade from analysts, so that's caused the pullback we're seeing. I gotta see exactly what they changed the downgrade to. The optimism over rate cuts are starting to fade out already. There's some things revealed in that people didn't catch in the speech made by Powell or in the report of the numbers itself. So a lot of people like reading those notes to see if there's any under 10%. Let's read this. Okay, so the bond yields are starting to come down. Let's see if we touch 467 today. I need Microsoft to come down to 370.70. That's what I'm waiting on.
If I could give me 469.50, I'll jump in.
I give you up 469.50.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. NVDA really trying to catch strength on me right now? Don't even try it. I never play NVIDIA. I decided to take a little trade on them today. Small position though. Not too crazy. Coinbase. Let's look at coin. Let's look at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is on a little push up right now. Smart money starting to buy Bitcoin. At least on the 30-minute chart. Like it caught support at 42,150. Like right around that price range, it caught support. Now it's time to come back up. It's working its way through the selling block.
I sold my put earlier at $3.50. Right now it's at $4.10.
Oh, damn. Yeah.
Story of my life.
Listen, man. As long as you're walking away with gains, the gains will get bigger and bigger. But as long as you're not taking losses. Every crypto chart like the same exact shape, bro. If Coinbase gets back over 154, then it'll probably be able to push. If not, it's going to hit resistance there and come back down again. There's Microsoft doing? I need Microsoft to give out.
15-minute on SPY is evening out right now.
Yeah, I see. Microsoft is trying to hold strong near this 372 level. I just needed to keep rejecting right here. That was a heavy buying candlestick I had this morning though. 330,000 buys. Microsoft doesn't usually move volume like that. So I need a negative volume candlestick here. And then I'm gonna need one more. I mean, for some people getting caught up in this shit bad.
No, sir.
Because they thought it was about to be taken off, so they started throwing everything in the game and get hit with this pullback. I'm looking at Shake Shack right now. And you're talking about an $80 price target on it. It's trading at 71. I don't know. Shake Shack doesn't move me. Doesn't move me. Doesn't get my spirit moving. Let's go through. I'll leave that up there for now. Apple is trying to catch this support. Apple could go to 182, pretty much 183 flat. If Apple hits 183 flat and Microsoft still hasn't hit my take profit, I might get out because Microsoft is showing strength now. Oh my God. But the 15-minute MACD is still weakening. That means these could be pump fakes, man. There's divergence going on right now. It's either going to divert and come to a breakdown or it's going to break out from right here. One of those two about to happen with Microsoft. I know what's pushing it so hard is that damn news about the AI being integrated into that car system. Let me see some. The job market is tightening up right now too, opening in jobs.
Right.
There's gonna be more unemployment. That means unemployment's gonna start to go up as well. These are all things that they wanted to happen though. They wanted to weaken the labor market.
It's understanding that how we get somewhere is at
Oh man, I might have to go on Microsoft. That shit's gonna about to take off. Just trying to so hard. I don't know if it's trying to pump fake the shit out of me. This is his channel right here. That's the crazy part. Damn. This is in consolidation. Microsoft has been in consolidation at around 370. It's been in there since December 4th. Since December 4th, Microsoft has been chopping right around this price level. It hasn't broken too far below 366, and it hasn't gone up too much higher than 376. So it's been in the $10 range. I'm betting on the lower end of that range that we're going to end up pushing back down. I said I'll take 370. Just give me 370, and I'll get out the way. I don't even need the bottom of the range to break. Just pull back a little bit. On the daily, Microsoft is breaking down though. Got into the dark red yesterday, and today's another dark red.
I just got the call for 12% in 3 minutes.
On what?
On SPY.
On SPY?
Yep.
Okay. You playing that bounce?
Yes, sir. And I got right the fuck up.
Man, you should have held it to 470, 50 then.
No, I don't play. I got 12%.
Alright, good.
Nigga not trying to be greedy.
12% is beautiful.
It's so damn. I gotta make another play. I don't like this because it says I made exactly $666 today.
Oh yeah, nah, that's terrible. You gotta lose some money, make some money. You gotta do something.
Even if I'm losing a dollar,
Even if you lose a dollar, though, you gotta play the trade. That shit happened to me before. I was like, oh no, 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 no. I gotta make. I can't let it ride past that. Yeah, 373. Microsoft gotta be stopped. If not, it's about to take off. Apple is sitting right on the level I got at 183.87.
I'm waiting for that 470.50, and I'm gonna get back in the put.
470.50 is the resistance level I got.
Yep, I'm waiting for that for.
Let me look at the 4-hour chart on SPY. The 4 hours deep red. The hourly is still. The hourly is starting to show strength on SPY though. You gotta be careful. That may be a recovery. It may push right back through that 470, bro. I'm not gonna lie, with the way Microsoft is pushing. If Apple even goes back to where it opened up at today, the market's gonna push up crazy. Because Microsoft is not breaking down. Don't break above 373. I feel like they're trying to squeeze me out of my position, though, bro. I feel like they're really legit trying to squeeze me out of this put. I'm not going to let it happen unless it hits my stop loss, though.
Shit, I'm still looking for a put now. I'm about to get back in the put with you.
Yeah, I'm in Microsoft put right now.
Kid, I only trade SPY unless I see something else, like, absolutely.
Yeah, I feel you. I try to keep it tight with SPY, too. But I have 3 outside of SPY. I might do Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla. One of those 3.
A little side.
Yeah, it's my little side plays. Yeah, it's my side pieces right there. Coinbase is a thought. Like, Coinbase is like, I'm feeling real reckless. That's how I feel about Coinbase. She could be hot one second.
She's here with us in the stock market, but like crypto moves up. Crypto has her heart.
Yeah, she's not really rocking with us. She's for the streets.
Y'all ain't break it down to it.
Alright, come on. I might dollar cost average into my Microsoft position right here. What are we down? Microsoft is down 13%. NVDA looks to be pushing right now too. Microsoft. Bye. If NVIDIA passes right here, I'll stop out. Alright, let's see. Come on, add on. Trying to get 5 more of these Microsoft puts while I'm down 10%. Dollar cost.
I finally get in at $1.10 and it goes, oh, it's 99 cents.
It's 99 cents now. Your dollar entry would have been perfect.
Right.
We couldn't let that happen.
I don't know.
Which was just over 6%. So 2/3 of the
yes, executed. Let's fucking go.
The juice from fiscal policy, and that acted as a huge antidote to what the Fed was doing. The problem for this year is that we're going to morph from fiscal stimulus to fiscal drag. The fiscal drag is going to be between 1 and 1.5 percentage points on GDP. And as Jay Powell told us at the podium at the December meeting, is that there's still a significant pipeline of tightening from the damage the Fed's already done that's going to be seeping into the economy this year. So this year is when we really see the rubber meet the road in terms of the ongoing lags between Fed policy and the economy, but this time around, no offset from what's happening on the fiscal side.
Is the fiscal side done? I ask only because I spoke with Robert Kaplan, the former Dallas Fed president, a few weeks ago, who said that this will continue to be a year of significant.
I think NVIDIA is about to reject right here. Hold on, listen to the news for a second. I'll be back.
Fed pivot, which could yet again rear inflation. So, who's to say that it's really truly worked its way through the system?
Well, you have to differentiate between levels and growth. So I'm not talking, a recession is not about the level of GDP, and it's not about the level of fiscal stimulus. It's about the change. And so what's going to be happening is that, yes, the level of fiscal stimulus will still be very high, but incrementally, it's going to be detracting from GDP growth in the coming year. So we have to differentiate between levels and growth. It's going to be in terms of the impact on growth. The change is going to be squarely negative in the coming 12 months. Then the question is going to be, especially because we have a mountain of these debt rollovers, whether it's in the non-mortgage personal sector or in the corporate sector and commercial real estate, it's going to be a very interesting year from a debt service perspective because we haven't seen all the lags from what the Fed has done kick in already. Remember, the Fed was done tightening in 2006, and then all the bad stuff hit the fan in late 07 into 08. People just do not respect the policy lags. And the fact that we did have a significant offset last year, which was fiscal policy, that is not going to be will not be repeated in 2024. So that's the big differential. And I think that, people who have said, well, the recession hasn't happened yet, therefore it's not going to happen at all, is like me sitting in my office here in Toronto saying, well, it didn't snow in December in Toronto, Canada. So winter's been called off. Everybody did the same thing in 07. Where's this recession? Then in 08, oops. Same thing in 2000. Where's the recession? And then in 2001, oops, there it is. To say that there's not going to be a recession is to tell me after the most pernicious Fed tightening cycle in over 40 years, is to tell me that the business cycle's been repealed and interest rates just don't matter anymore. And I'm just not a believer in those two new era caveats.
David, people still point to charts sold or more in CRE and corporate capex and so forth.
Well, I think that it's going to be it's going to occur in tandem, but it's a great question because I think that business spending is.
All right, I'm back. I'm back. They saying the recession is not over yet. It's coming back. They said we thought we escaped the recession.
My boy Plaza made it to the pod. What is my boy?
You talking to?
My boy Plaza. I invited him into the room.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. What's up? Welcome.
He's one of us. He's a very
Oh, you went to Barry too?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Prune. Welcome to the Trading Center, man.
Everything is basically down except Google.
Yeah, Google and
Microsoft.
yeah, Microsoft.
The Qs. Stuff on the Qs.
It's holding strong. Microsoft is pushing down now, though.
Morning, Trapper.
Morning, my guy.
I got some Neo calls.
Okay. That boy.
They're only 5 cents right now.
The $9 call.
Yeah, just based off the flow on the OI.
Yeah, I see it right now. I see.
Just add it to your watch list.
That deal gonna pop. Either next week and the following week. It's due for a pop up.
So
If you've been following the flow.
if you look at maybe like January 19th, the 9.5s or the $9.
The January, okay.
Look at the OI on those ones too. So just people holding those contracts. I mean, they're down, but they're holding them still.
They're still holding on. It broke into positive momentum on the weekly. On its weekly MACD, it's positive, and the monthly MACD is in positive territory now. So it's set up for a takeoff. It really could really get a jump back up. I got the next heavy. Well, I gotta put some more levels in on this. But let me see. I see a level at 1230 on Neo, resistance. You'll probably see another resistance level right about 1056. And right now it has to break above. It has to break above 939. 939 is the closest resistance I got for Neo. I'll watch Neo. If Neo breaks 939 from where it's at now, then I'll probably jump in on a long call. I'm not gonna jump in a position just yet, though. I gotta watch and see what happens when it goes back to test $9. But by that time, you guys could get out. Y'all should be good if you got in below 9. I need Microsoft to Microsoft, I think, hit my take profit, G, and I went to the bathroom. That's how fast it happened. Yeah. I'm in a Microsoft put right now. Just jumped in, trying to play the consolidation. I see it starting to break down into weakness. So jumped in on the put. Risky put because, like he said, the Qs are seeming to be in strength right now. But everything else in the market was pulling down. So I figured that'll catch up with Microsoft eventually. And it'll start to pull back because it boosted up this morning based off of news that it's doing a collaboration with this. Is pretty much giving them the Azure AI to put into cars now, so they could put it into like navigation and all that kind of stuff, so you'll have AI in the car. So they just did a collaboration, and that's what I think they jumped off of that news this morning, but I don't think that news was that strong where it should have jumped like that.
Well, watch closely, cause the 50 MA just brushed to the 200. So.
Are you looking at the 50-day moving average, you said?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me pull my joint up. Where the hell is it at? I don't know my 50-day.
It ain't from my chart yet. I'm gonna go into some business real quick.
50-day. Okay, I'm looking at it. I think my
I on the reversal for calls. I don't know if somebody playing puts.
I'm playing put right now. Not on SPY though. It's Microsoft. Microsoft was showing weakness on the 30, so I tried to jump on that early. It's 11:16. I just needed to close 11:30 in weakness still. As long as it closes 11:30 in weakness, I could stay in. If not, I'm going to get out. Look at NVDA pushing.
Wow.
Coming back in the string. Apple's trying to catch support off this level down here. Apple like is trying to catch support on a 15-minute chart right now. So we could have a push back up. God damn it, Microsoft. Why you want to do me like this? And don't let me sell and then this shit start tanking. I'm gonna be pissed. I gotta put my stop loss in. My stop loss is gonna be 373 on Microsoft. As long as we don't break back above 373, I'm gonna stay in this put. Smart money is buying NVDA heavy right now. Smart money is selling Microsoft though. They're buying NVIDIA and they're selling Microsoft. And dumb money is on a straight line.
3 minute look like it's making a reversal.
On what?
On SPY.
On SPY? SPY back down to the downside, right? It's coming back down. Yeah, just making lower highs. That's what I see it doing. So we should have another pullback coming. We should make a lower low on this next pullback. If this next pullback on SPY should pull us below 468.80. That means Microsoft about to come down, down, down.
So you saying SPY might be 468?
Yeah, it's probably gonna touch 468.80 on this next pullback.
So that's when I should jump in on a put then.
This looks like in favor. The 3 minute is favoring. It's starting to go back into weakness on the 3 minute. It's about to cross to the red in a little bit. So if that keeps happening, the 5 is going to go back into weakness. And the 15 was coming into strength. The 30, it got light a little bit on this 30-minute candlestick, but this candlestick's not closed yet. So we got to see what it looks like by 11:30. That's what I'm saying with Microsoft too. I'm going to give it till 11:30.
Yeah, wait until 11:30 for SPY. Cause if you look at the MACD, it just crossed also.
Yeah.
You don't have people want to get in a position, but I think we're going to get pulled back lower anyways.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah, so we seeing 467 again.
Oh, Microsoft is playing with me right now, bro.
That's what I want.
To thwart them in the future.
Yeah, again, last year we saw an exceptionally high level of traffic and volume. We need to make sure the system is able to keep up with that. And
I don't think we get a lot of volume
the safety
because
of
of
our
short
system
because
is, it's not like car crashes where there's...
So because of what? Oh yeah, short week. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what I felt too. Like yesterday, I felt like we had good movement because everybody jumped back in the day after New Year's. But then, like you said, it's still a holiday week, so the volume may just shrink down again. I can't trade low volume. I'm bad at trading low volume, boy.
the on SPY just is lightening up as well.
Yeah, I know. I saw that one. That's what had me looking like, the reversal may be coming in.
Yeah, I don't play with the macro.
Return of the Mac, the hourly too at that.
Return of the
Man, yeah, the 30-minute. That's why I said I want to see how 11:30 closes out. If we close out 11:30 and we have like a little push down in the last 5 minutes, we could end up going right back down. This 11:30 close is going to be crucial. I want to see it close definitely below 470. 469.50, below 469.50 would be prime. So we got about 8 more minutes before this candlestick closes.
Trying to buy a 5-pack.
Don't trade off oil stocks. If you look at Oxy on ExxonMobil.
Let me look them down. Let me look. I know about Oxy. What's going on with the oil companies? What's going on with the oil industry right now? It's on a rebound. Was it bouncing back?
It's green.
Let me see the weekly. Let's look at Oxy. I know Warren Buffett holds a lot of Oxy.
Yeah, but he bought at this price, so.
Yeah, right around this price. Yeah, this is right where he bought around. Okay. Yeah, it's on a support level right here. We want to see it get above 63.40. If it gets back above 63.40 and can start closing above there, then it could be on a rally back. So I look at for 63.40. And then ExxonMobil. Exxon is sitting right at a resistance level that I got at 102. Let me see this price at 103.25. 103.25 is a resistance. So once Exxon closes back above that level, it could run up to 111. That's the next heavy resistance I got. So let's see how that plays out. Or it could go down to 98 if it doesn't break 103. Let's look. I'm back on the Market Chameleon site. Gee, I ain't been on Market Chameleon in a while, man. So much information. Market Chameleon. This shit gives you so much information on options on every contract. It's a ridiculous amount of. I'm about to post it in the Discord.
On the big screen.
What time that sun shot?
See what I'm gonna trade today.
What you say, Brian?
See, I just got home. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna trade today.
Oh no, I saw him, Brian. What Brian say?
I was talking to G.
Oh.
What happened?
I'm riding down West Dixie. I was trying to see what time that sub shop open.
Was that what Brian that he trading today?
I've been in here.
I don't think you could hear him. Leave and come back, boss. He could hear you, but you can't hear him.
Damn, so I gotta come back.
Yeah, leave and come back. Oh, look at Sun popped in here. What's going on?
Big money, son.
Yeah, that sub shop should be open any second now.
Yeah, they're probably like. I'm about to drive past and see. I might go get me this sub for that. I ain't had that shit in a minute.
All right, I posted the link into in the Discord for the Market Chameleon site. Let me look at something. Microsoft, because that's what I'm trading. Let's pull up Microsoft.
Y'all can hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can.
Let me see.
Yeah, SPY gonna be in this range until lunchtime.
Life too. Listen, man. You either going up or you going down. Just don't sit still. Shit could end up getting worse, yeah. Shit could get better, yeah. But if you sitting still, you definitely know you ain't going no damn where.
Stuck in the same shit.
Stuck in the same shit in the same toilet. Look at Eli Lilly today. Eli Lilly had a nice push today.
Yeah, which color had a nice pullback today. Ain't tell.
Can y'all see my? Oh, y'all not even in here. I'm about to stop sharing my screen in the Discord.
They Baba crossed on a 30.
Oh, Baba's my little baby. Are they in the 80s still?
75.
Oh shit!
It's a nice lick right now.
Damn. This is 76.09 and then 78.92. If they get back above that 78.92 level and can close for a week or so above there, then I might consider trading them again. But for right now, I would stay away from them until they get back above 78.90.
Last level I got from them was 86.68.
86. That's close to my 85.26 level. I got a level right around there, 85.26. Yeah. So, and if they don't get back above, pretty much, I'll say when you see them get back in the $80, then you could look at them for real.
But it's been red in the 4 hours, so it's going down.
Come on, Microsoft, just break on down. What you doing on the 5 minute? 5 minute. God damn it. Yo, this is a straight line across for Microsoft. This is crazy. It's really sitting on the same, like within like 30 cents. It hasn't moved. It moved up all the way into this range by 940. If you didn't make a trade on Microsoft by 940, you were stuck in this range right here. It's been in this same price range since 940, bro. Let me see. It has 71% put open interest on it though versus 36% call open interest. At least that's what I see from Microsoft. I'm getting this information off of Market Chameleon. I'm not doing the paid subscription to this, but if you did, they give you a lot of damn information. I feel like I get enough information off of them for the free. Tim, what's going on, my guy?
Yeah, I think Sky should be going down. Look at it. Look at it on the daily, yo. It's on the.
It's on the red, yeah.
What you call it?
It should be pulling back.
Look at that Neo Pop. Look at that Neo Pop.
Let me look at Neo.
Apple's pushing back up right now, man. Apple caught support. SPY not about to break down if Apple caught support.
Yeah, what's up, gang?
It's good. It's good, man.
Oh no. Oh yeah, it popped up on a 30. The Neo.
Right now, yeah, Neo's in strength on the 30. You could probably get up until 939 if it makes a good push today. You're gonna see resistance at 894 though. I think that's the 200 EMA on my 30-minute chart. Right now, it looks like I don't know. Let me pull up the 5 minute.
Oh, quick question. Did you guys ever was holding money?
No.
Cause I was holding like I think 2 or 3 shares, and they did a stock split, and I didn't even notice.
How many shares?
Now, it popped up like it's a one. They did a 1 in 100 split.
Oh,
That's how you said.
okay.
A reverse split or something like that.
So what you got? 100 shares for everyone up, but you should have less shares now. So that's probably why you went from 2 to 1. I'm surprised you didn't go down to fractional shares because you only had 2 shares. So
Right.
I thought it would have took you down into fractional shares if they did a.
But it's in a positive though. That's the shit I don't understand. Because the positive return is what it's worth now.
I mean, the stock price moves how the stock price is going to move. The split doesn't change the increase or decrease. If there's an increase in your stock, then that means people probably bought. They did 100. They did a 1 for 100 split. I can't imagine when companies do that. It's because
if you look at it, though, this shit was like 9,000. Like it's $9,000. It was like in February 2023, and I know that's a fucking lot.
Yeah, that's because of the split. Now they probably changed up all the numbers.
Yeah, that shit says last 2021. That shit was $291,000. Let me get that type of money, man. Wake up one day, that shit at Bitcoin price.
Is this a put?
Ask you about that hockey play, yo.
they didn't play the full time on ice, so they didn't get. Anytime they play over 30 minutes on ice, they usually clear that. They didn't put it full time on ice.
Oh,
Y'all betting on hockey? Y'all wow, boy.
nah, I ain't gonna lie, hockey hitting though.
I don't know shit about hockey to be betting on hockey.
Nah,
It's supposed to battle.
cause like you could look at their previous like games to see like okay, like their average shots on goal save. Yeah, like
That's what Mike don't understand. You can bet shots on
yeah, shots on goal. Niggas be smacking the fuck out that goal.
You live. You could bet on stupid shit like that. Like
You know, it's not even just about what you could bet on, make money on. For me, it's the lack of overall understanding of the sport and how it plays. So it's like, if I have more of an understanding of hockey itself, so he's talking about time on ice and shit, like those are terms I'm not even familiar with. First, I have to familiarize myself with all the terms of hockey. Then I could probably be able to make educated bets on certain particular things based on understanding how the game is played, what's the average for this, what's a high number versus a low number. Like, if I have no frame of context, I can't bet into something. I will never trade. The same thing with trading. It's like, I'm not going to buy. Like, there's a bunch of shit out here to buy and invest into. But if you don't have an idea of the market, yeah, I could look at the chart and make an educated guess. But if I don't understand that market or that industry, you're gonna get fucked 9 times out of 10 if you make that kind of play. Now you're just really 100% gambling at that point.
you're right, but at the same time, you also have to understand you don't know what the coach's decision is gonna be.
Exactly.
But that's what I'm saying. The nigga could have played. The Cracker could have played this time on ice. He could have played the whole game. However, because the coach, well, we're winning. I'm gonna take this nigga off the court. Nigga,
But that's why I said if I know the sport, I know if someone like a Giannis or LeBron, I know how am I gonna frame that in a sport I don't even watch in hockey? How would I even know when a blowout is happening? 2-0 is a blowout, 3-0 blowout, 4-0 blowout? I don't know what the fuck is a blowout in hockey. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't.
3-0 definitely.
Yes,
It's like I'm not gonna bet into something that I don't understand the framework of.
It's like getting 21 to Madden, bro. Just think of it like that.
That's what I'm saying. But I would have to learn all that before I even look to bet hockey.
You could definitely come back, but 3-0 is 21-0.
yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much. That's
Now,
it.
like if you go on my profile, I threw some statistics out there prior to me taking it. It was some numbers that I ran on there. It's Outlier Pro is one of the tools that I use.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna look at that and see.
Let's go, Microsoft breaking down. Let's fucking go. Apple rejecting right here too. Should I jump in on the Apple put? I will be careful in Neo, y'all, because Neo's showing reversal on a 30. Unless you plan on holding it for like a whole week, then you just let it rock. But I might jump in on the spy put right here. Gee, this may be time for the spy put, bro.
I'm looking right now for one.
Microsoft put is hitting.
Hold on, let me go to my joint. Look at my spot put.
NVDA is on its way back down, breaking down. Good. I need that shit to come back down.
I heard y'all talking about betting, this weekend for football to quite a couple contract-based bets you can make, like people that need to do a couple more things to make more money on their contract.
Yeah, I was hearing that on the radio.
Right. And I'm calling a couple them out right now.
You're talking about like the milestone plays, right?
Right.
They only need,
Somebody
like,
needs 3 more catches to get the extra 120. Team. I'm gonna go through the list right now. Hold on. Tyreek Hill needs 248 yards to set the record. His over-under for this weekend is 101 yards.
All right. Right here, receiving yards. Back.
Jadeveon Clowney needs a half a sack to get an extra $750,000 bonus. Just a half a sack. He just need to touch the quarterback at the same time another nigga touch the quarterback and take him down to make $750,000.
I'm gonna write him down.
What do you call it?
The Steelers have the 31st ranked offensive line, so he's going against the Steelers. 31st ranked offensive line, and he only needs half a sack.
Singletary might get that.
What team he play on again?
The Texans.
Huh?
Texans.
And he'll get an extra $125,000 if he makes it to 165 yards. So you can make $250,000 in this game alone if he has over 165 yards.
It's about to turn up.
And he takes on the Colts. They have the 24th ranked run defense.
Cool.
Jordan Love. If he makes the playoff, he makes $500,000, and for every playoff game he wins, that's an extra $500,000.
So his passing yard should be a golden.
Yeah.
Is Adam Thielen up there? I know Thielen. I don't think he cleared this. I think Thielen like fucking 20 yards, 10 yards away from a milestone.
Odell Beckham milestone. But Jadeveon Clowney, I like that the most. You know, like
Bro, all you gotta do is find somebody out of state that you know, bro. What I do is I just put the money on my account and tell my boys my exact page. They screenshot it before I submit that joint, and there go that. You feel me? That bread goes in my account regardless. Cause they put the play in Maryland or DC or Virginia, so I'll be good.
I know.
Well, just make sure y'all, whatever y'all do, post it up, and cause I definitely may jump in on some of these plays. What app y'all using again down here in Florida? You using Bravado?
I use Bravado.
Do you need to have crypto? Do you need to transfer crypto into that shit?
I use crypto.
Yeah, hey, bro, didn't they just up your shit or something?
No, they tried to. They get my shit back. You know, so crazy. Yo, they did some crazy shit to me one time. One day I entered like 10 different drafts, right? And they gave me my money back for 2 of them. And it was like, there's no real reason why they gave me your money back. It was like, they emailed me and let me know they were sorry and this and that. It was so crazy. And then that night, I didn't put it. But they stopped me from putting in 2 drafts one time. For no reason at all.
Didn't know you was going to hit.
I guess so.
They can make that call, boy.
Right.
They change your pick.
All right, everybody, about to get off this live stream. Appreciate y'all for joining me today. Talked about some week. I might actually be live again tomorrow, so stay tuned for the alerts. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. The link is below. All right.